Hello, I am Dr. M. L. Gambhir, consultant dermatologist, Amritsar, and attached to Fortis Scout Hospital, Amritsar. Now I am going to tell you about different approaches to treat clinical patients in post-COVID area. So, as you know, that this COVID is a very infectious disease. It is contracted by close contact from aerosols. So one has to be very careful about it. As a dermatologist, we have to be very close to the patient. We have to make patient sit near us, talk to him, examine him, touch him, and so we are most likely to get this infection from the patient. The patient is infected. As most of the patients are asymptomatic, so we can't say which patient is having COVID or which is not having. So we have to change our mode of examination of patient. The first and foremost is telecommunication. This is one of the methods nowadays which has been legalized by the Medical Council of India and all medical councils, where you can have your own way of examining the patient via telemedicine on WhatsApp or on any other media, and patient can pay in your account through Paytm or through Google Pay or any other way he wants. So second thing is we have to make ourselves safe. So one thing is we have to have a distance between ourselves and patient. So I have put on this shield around my table, which is 6 feet high. The patient sits on the other side and I examine through this transparent sheet. And at the beginning of the clinic, we have to see that all our patients are properly sanitized. I have kept a room sanitizer over here, which is near my table, and after every half an hour, my clinic is being sanitized. And then on my reception, I have put a infrared thermometer as well as a sanitizer. Every patient who enters in, my receptionist at the door, she sanitizes the patients and then she sends her in after noting the temperature. So even I have changed my route of entry. I come from the back door so that I am not coming through the patients which are sitting in my waiting room. These are the changes I have done in my clinic, and I come through it. The patient doesn't enter my cabin. So this is how I think maybe a safe way to control myself. I always sit my mask on with my shield and with a coat. I never sit with half sleeves in my clinic wherever I am examining patients. So we have to be very careful about it. These are the measures I am adopting in my clinic, and also I advise my patients. First thing is they will not enter my cabin without any mask. There is a notice outside the cabin and outside the clinic also that no entry without mask. First thing is patient should come with a mask. He has to cover his face. He is told to be get sanitized. He is sanitized outside. His temperature is noted, and then here he is told that why it has been done. And I also advise the patient to be careful whenever going in the market that he should use a mask, which is very important, one of the most important things which can save yourself. So this is what I have to say about it. Thank you very much.